Mass shootings in America. Congratulations, Americans. I had to and have to record this video because of what you see on the screen. Congratulations again on one more mass shooting 8 hours ago, I guess, Americans. Read the headline. America's mass shooting epidemics claims an Indian life as parents weigh alternatives to US. I'm trying to find some nice words at the moment. She has got nothing to do with me in personal relation. The point being, Americans die too in mass shooting, but I don't care about American lives. I don't. Fuck off. She was. Now it's past. She was alive until yesterday, and now she's long dead. Why? Because she went for studies in America. I don't know if she was a patriot about my country or not, if she went there to settle in America, or she had any plans to come back in my country and do something better here. I do not know, and I don't care. I know one more student, let's use this word, one more student from my country who went into America for study purposes is killed for free. Other people die, Americans die. I don't know which country they're from. I don't care about them. I care about my people only. The news is, you can read everything here. I don't want to read anything. So this girl called her father, and after some time, she was dead. You can read, she was dead at a young age of 27. I think mass shooting happened, I don't know when. It shows 8 hours ago, so I guess it's the news of 7th of May. It's pretty difficult to figure out which mass shooting is it. Because it happens every day like a carnival in America. Fucking bastards. You fucking Americans, you don't know whom to vote? We have to come and tell you whom to vote now? You fucking racist. You killed one more of our kind. You racist bastards. Before this, there was a guy student who was killed, and a lot of people get killed in those stores, Walmart, Indians I'm talking about only. Those people who come and loot the 24/7 7-Eleven and Walmart stores. Indians work there in night shift, and you come and you loot and you shoot them point blank range, headshot. You're that much racist? And forget about it. This is an accident, right? Mass shooting, other people died too. Let's talk about this as an incident or accident. Why? Here's the data. Mass shootings in 2023 only, and you can check the data last year as well. Mass shootings 2022 in America. Mass shootings after Trump, when this fucking Uncle Biden came. Are you fucking blind? What do you eat when you get up? Do you eat Biden's shit every day? You don't know whom to choose as your leader? Don't you fucking realize that mass shootings only has started happening since this fucking Biden has came into power? By cheating. He's not elected. Biden, we know he's not the president which was chosen by the country. We don't. And what is this mass shooting culture on the streets, in the malls, in the schools? What is this? Have you ever heard any such thing happening in any small or big country, in any rich or poor country. Why is it only happening in America and my people are being killed? This is 2023 India you're talking about. We will come to your home and we will, if needed, we will destroy you if needed. We want peace, but we will rescue every citizen of our country from anywhere in the world. Examples are right here. When Ukraine-Russia war broke out, when it was in the honeymoon period, we have rescued our students from Ukraine in number of thousands. Even though those students are anti-India, they don't like India, they are young age, so they are like want to have fun and fuck in Europe. They don't like it, that's fine, but we did our job. No other country rescued anybody from Ukraine. Everybody was using our Indian flag to be safe. Talk to South Africans, talk to Pakistanis, talk to anybody during that situation. They were using our flag on their cheeks, in their hands, so that they don't get the bullet from the Russian or the Ukrainian army. Do not mess with us. Our Prime Minister is the number one Prime Minister right now in the world. And you're killing Indians in America? Wake up, Americans, you wake up. Your kids are dying. How many Americans forgot about, how many expats have left America, do you know? Do you know how many entrepreneurs have left America already because of this shit going on? What are you turning your country into? Is this a festival going on in America? This is how your American culture is? Mass shooting everywhere? Oh, let me tell you, this is because your kids are playing those PUBG games, Chinese apps, games, Xbox, PS4, One day, either the gun will be in your hands or your kid will be in front of the person who will be holding the gun in his hands. Save yourself, save your country. I did not have any reason or intend to record this video, but as soon as I saw this news, I just could not resist. Do you have any responsibility if somebody comes in your country? What if they start shooting Americans in my country here? What will you do then? Huh? If any foreigner comes here for any purposes, tourism or study or whatever, if your people, your daughter comes to India, your son comes to India and gets shot dead, how would you fucking feel? She's not my sister, she's not my daughter, she is nothing to me.